What's up YouTube? In this video I'm going to show you how to diagnose rod knock. This should work on any engine, but I'm going to be using this R53 Mini Cooper S. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and stick around. You're going to want to watch this whole video. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is remove all your spark plugs, which I've already done, and your coils, obviously, or your spark plug wires. And pull off your passenger side tire so that you have access to your crank bolt. It's a 15mm bolt, and you're going to need that so you can rotate the engine, so you can check for the rod knock. Okay, next you're going to want to grab a long extension, longest one you have, and place it inside your cylinder. If it's a good idea, I already know my piston's up high, but to use two extensions just so you don't drop it in there. But I already know that mine's not going to fall in there because I've already put it in there. Then put your 15mm ratchet onto the crank bolt, which you shouldn't have too much trouble doing, and then rotate it. And you watch this, it'll go up, and then once it starts going back down, you know you're in the right spot. It's already going down. Let me rotate it until it goes through a full turn. And the reason you want to get it on the stroke on the way down is because the friction from the rings will pick the rod off of the crank. So that's on the way up. It's about top dead center. Now it's on its way down. Now if you watch, you'll see this move a little bit when I press on it. Or maybe you could hear it. But it moved probably 20 thousandths of an inch maybe. So I know I have rod knock on cylinder 1. So if you have a loud rattle on your car and you don't know what it is, check that before you go out and spending a bunch of money on a timing chain or a crank pulley or anything like that. Find out what the problem is. I replaced all that stuff in my car because I was going to do it anyway. It's the whole reason I bought the car, was to make these videos. But then I wanted to actually fix the problem, and so now I decided to actually do some research, and I found out what it is. It's a rod knock on cylinder 1, so now I'm going to fix that. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to check out the Facebook group, Mini Cooper DIY, no matter which Mini Cooper you drive. I'll put a link to that in the description, or you can go to Facebook and type Mini Cooper DIY in the search bar, and you can find it that way.